Alright, so today we're going to make an ultimate sandwich. Now, this is a bacon I saved from the other day, and I wrapped it up into a napkin. And the only reason is because that's how you're going to microwave it. Microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, alright? And it's going to get nice and crunchy and juicy again. So we're going to do that right now when you're starting your sandwich. If you have bacon left over, if you extract bacon, this is it, what you do with it. Alright, just got out of the microwave, if you guys can see that. We got our lettuce ready. We got our queso panela. That's what queso we're going to try it on. Then we got 3 different types of meat. We got ham, bacon, turkey, and of course chicken. We're going to skip the chicken. Just going to go for these 2. Make it more meat. And then we're going to get cheddar cheese on it. And if you want to melt the cheddar cheese, you can microwave the cheese on a piece of bread if you want, optional, for 10-15 seconds. And then the mayonnaise, of course. But let's go ahead and start with the main ingredient. Beautiful, beautiful cheese. 1 slice here. Then we're going to use this other slice here. Then we're going to grab some of this. There you go. Nice juicy mayonnaise. Either panela taste or disguise it. Cheddar cheese. Now we're going to start with the meats. 1 ham straight across. 1 turkey straight across. Or you can do half and half, however you want, because this is going to be the topper. You guys can see. That's going to be in the top. And we got our lettuce. Slice it there. More on the top. And then top it. Okay. Now look at this beautiful layer sandwich. Got it on there. The cheese is a heavy esteem. Now let's take a bite. Alright, here's a sandwich. First bite. It's always the best bite.